Well, there's the chain I put onto this chainsaw, and it's not right. And it is the same chain, the USA built chain and the low pitch chain. And they were the same chain, but unfortunately, that unfortunately probably didn't work. But it did work, and it did turn it. I did start it up yesterday. It did turn the chain. I did put some WD-40 over it and see if it'll loosen it up. But hopefully it might. Well, anyways, there's an update on the Extreme Power 82100 XP with its 22-inch bar and chain on it. Alrighty. Peace out.